see a surprise?
So Maya is getting ready for a surprise.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
What surprise are you getting ready for?
Open up. Turd, what is that? You like it? Oh, we got a yes. Look at that. Go play with it. Go play with it. Look.
What'd you show her?
Her kitchen.
You should have recorded her face with
Johnny did.
What'd she do?
Johnny, I said, you like what she said?
Ma, you like it? Huh? Oh, Snowy can be hearing that all day. Maya, say cheese. No, look. Do like this. Ah.
Hey, get out of her screen.
Hold on, Sam. I'm finna take a picture of Maya. She got a new kitchen.
You like it, Turd?
Michaela, you should let her play with her own kitchen.